Hello and welcome to yet another session on mastering English vocabulary for civil service examinations. And the 5 words which we are going to discuss at greater length and learn by heart in today's sitting are ludicrous, fifth column, obnoxious, detrimental, and finally iconoclast. Starting with ludicrous. Ludicrous is something absurd, unreasonable, nonsensical, comical, irrational or bizarre. यानी इस टर्म को एक ऐसी सिचुएशन में एक ऐसे इंडिविजुअल के बिलीफ्स, सजेशंस, आइडियाज़ और एक्टिविटीज़ के लिए यूज़ करते हैं व्हेन वी आर नॉट सेटिस्फाइड विद दैट पर्टिकुलर इंडिविजुअल्स आइडियाज़ और सजेशंस। उस केस में जिस टर्म के थ्रू उन सजेशंस, एक्शंस और गिवन रिमार्क्स को हम एक्सप्रेस और इल्यूसिडेट करते हैं वो ludicrous है। एग्जाम्पल, it is grossly a ludicrous custom to adhere to today's primitive ideas or traditions. Second example, the idea to eliminate students' political unions from university campuses is one of the ludicrous decisions ever made by the government. So this is how we can use ludicrous in sentences. And the second term is fifth column. Fifth column is always used in political terms to refer to groups or to certain groups who reside within our ranks or within a society but act as per the whims and caprices of someone's enemies is fifth column. इस टर्म को हम एक ऐसी सिचुएशन में यूज़ करते हैं when an individual or when a group of people tries to be our friends but they operate as per the wishes and aspirations of our enemies. उस केस में जिस टर्म के थ्रू उस इंडिविजुअल और ग्रुप ऑफ इंडिविजुअल्स को इल्यूसिडेट करते हैं, रेफर करते हैं, वो फिफ्थ कॉलम है। यानी फिफ्थ कॉलम से मुराद एक ऐसा इंडिविजुअल जो कि खुद को हमारा फ्रेंड शो करता है बट इन एक्चुअल ही और शी वर्क्स और ऑपरेट्स एज आवर एनिमी बिहाइंड द सीन्स इज फिफ्थ कॉलम। फॉर इंस्टेंस, the state's policy of oppression against its citizens has provided a breeding ground to fifth column tendencies in the country. Second example, misinformation is deployed as a deceptive weapon by fifth column tendencies in an era marked by or embroiled in internal conflicts. So this is how we can use fifth column in our sentences. The third term is obnoxious. Obnoxious is something very irritating, very unpleasant, offensive, something which we detest the most, or something we find hateful in its scope and substance is obnoxious. In simple terms, we use this term in our daily lives in moments when we really dislike someone's ideas, someone's point of view, someone's action, or someone's opinion about ourselves or someone else is obnoxious. Obnoxious का मतलब कि कोई ऐसी चीज़ जो कि हमें प्लीजेंट न लगे, कोई ऐसी चीज़ जो कि हमें पसंद ना आए, या कोई ऐसी चीज़ जिससे हम इरिटेट हों, उसको हम कहते हैं obnoxious. Example, his obnoxious opinions or remarks repelled his inclusion from the panel. Second example, he was charged for his obnoxious remarks about the government's performance. So this is how we can place this very particular term in our sentences. And the fourth term is iconoclast. Iconoclast is an individual who questions the validity, legality, credibility, rationality, and applicability of widely practiced and deep-rooted ideas, norms, dogmas in a society. In other words, he is a person who challenges deep-rooted ideas or the ideas subscribed to by majority of individuals in a society is iconoclast. यानी एक ऐसा इंडिविजुअल जो कि उन तमाम आइडियाज़ को रिजेक्ट करे और फॉलो नहीं करे जो कि मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द पीपल ऑफ अ सोसाइटी फॉलो एंड प्रीच करें, उस केस में उस इंडिविजुअल को हम कहते हैं iconoclast. Example, in the post-truth era, iconoclasts operate as freely as misinformation. Second example, the country's religious institution has requested the government to crack down on iconoclasts for their non-adherence to religious values. So this is how we can place this word in our sentences. And finally, detrimental. Detrimental is something adverse, unfavorable, harmful, hazardous, unreasonable is detrimental. यानी इस टर्म को आप एक ऐसी सिचुएशन में यूज़ करेंगे जब किसी का कोई एक्शन, ओपिनियन, बिहेवियर या कोई सजेशन आपके माइंडसेट के साथ मैच न करे या आपकी मेंटल स्टेबिलिटी को नेगेटिवली इम्पैक्ट करे, तो उस केस में उस एक्शन और उस इंडिविजुअल को जिस टर्म के थ्रू आप एक्सप्रेस और एक्सप्लेन करेंगे वो डेट्रीमेंटल है। यानी डेट्रीमेंटल इज समथिंग विच इज़ नॉट सल्यूब्रियस फॉर आवर हेल्थ, विच इज़ नॉट फेवरेबल फॉर आवर मूड, इज detrimental. Example, Excessive use of social media has detrimental consequences for humans' mental and physical health. Second example, uncontrolled population rate is one of the detrimental challenges confronting Pakistan in this era. So this is how we can place detrimental in our sentences. So this is all for today. Happy learning together. Thank you very much.